She want the finest, yeah. She want the finest clothes, she want the finest cars. She wanna pull up with the cameras on her like the model. Yeah, she want the finest stuff, the finest stuff. She want the finest stuff.
What is up, you beautiful faces, and welcome back to the channel. Now, as you can tell by the title, today I'll be doing a Nair eyebrow tutorial. And basically what I'll be doing is I'll be starting off with micellar water, and it's to clean off my eyebrows to make sure I have a clean surface so there will be no dirt or anything of that in the way. And y'all, I was so scared to do this Nair on my face because I do have sensitive skin, so I use a sensitive skin Nair. But y'all, I was finna go get my eyebrows waxed, but I was like, I'm not even finna risk it like that. And I was tired of my eyebrows looking beat up, dusty, and crusty. It was just a mess. Like, I was ready to look cute again. So even my hair looked a mess. Like, it was time for a glow up, and I had to start with my eyebrows. Like, I don't know why, but I always have to start with my eyebrows when I get cute. Like, it has to go eyebrows, nails, hair, makeup, clothes. Like, it's just so expensive to be a girl. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, and next I'm gonna start off by combing my eyebrows to make sure they are straight, and I'm going to outline my brows with one of the darker eyebrow pencils that I have. I didn't want to use a light one, so I used the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in deep brown or dark brown, either one. And I just outline my eyebrows to make sure that I have the shape that I want my eyebrows to be in. And I kind of went heavy on the pencil because I really wanted that shape to be prominent. So I didn't want to go light. I went really heavy with this pencil. Okay, and next I'm going to take my sensitive skin formula Nair, and I'm going to take a brush that you would use for concealer, and I'm going to use that to apply the Nair around my eyebrows. Now, be careful when you're using the Nair around your eyebrows because it is close to your eyes, and you do not want to get this stuff in your eyes because it is not safe at all. And so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to do just like I would do with concealer, except stay away from my eyes. Okay, and next what you want to do is take a towel with warm water and gently wipe it off. You want to wipe it in the direction that your eyebrows grow, which is towards your ear. So do not wipe it down, do not wipe it around, like do not do it in a circle. You need to wipe it straight so the hair can come off. And before you do the Nair eyebrows, you need to do a patch test 8 to 12 hours or 24 hours before you put the Nair on your eyebrows. Okay, to make my eyebrows look even better, I'm going to take some small scissors and some tweezers and cut the excess hairs. And with the scissors, I'm going to comb, well, not with the scissors, with the eyebrow comb, I'm going to comb my eyebrows up to see if there are any long hairs, and I'm going to cut those with the scissors. And then with the tweezers, I'm going to go under the brow to get any hair that's left, or just in general where any hair is left around my eyebrows. Okay, you can use any moisturizer you want. Preferably you should use aloe vera or something with like something soothing, but I want to use cocoa butter, so I'm using the cocoa butter Vaseline for my eyebrows, and I will do another moisturizer later on, but it's not in the video. So just something to make the eyebrows smooth and to make it soothing. Okay guys, and this is the finished product. I really hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching my video. I love each and every one of you guys, and I will see you in the next video.
You like